Welcome to Al-Ihsan Academy, your path to excellence in Islamic moral learning. Al-Ihsan Academy, a beacon of moral education, has been enlightening young souls since 2005. Starting as a physical institution, we've evolved into embrace the digital age in 2012 to reach students far and wide.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم إذا السماء انفطرت.
With over 25 qualified male and female teachers, we provide a diverse and enriching learning experience. Our course caters to students aged 6 to 16 with a wide array of subjects from Quran to Hifz to moral education and even learning the beautiful Malayalam language. Our dedicated instructors bring the best of traditional knowledge and modern academia to your screens. For 3 distinct syllabi: traditional under Samasta Kerala, Sunni Vidyabhasa Board, English medium under the Islamic Educational Board of India, and even a customized syllabus. Al-Ihsan Academy offers both individual and group classes to suit your child's learning style. But Al-Ihsan Academy is not just about traditional learning. We believe in holistic development, which is why we offer special lectures and vibrant cultural fests. What sets us apart? Convenience and flexibility, high-quality student-teacher interactions, an individualized approach, and a superior learning experience. We prioritize regular follow-up, centralized exams, and cutting-edge approach to ensure your child's success. Our comprehensive curriculum and engaging learning environment provides the foundation for a brighter future. Join our strong community of learners and discover the support and encouragement you need. Al-Ihsan Academy, where knowledge meets virtue. Call us today at 00447917 044585 and embark on a journey of excellence and value. Al-Ihsan Academy, your path to enlightenment.